Dodge Journey 2009 to 2020 2.4 engine. The variable valve timing solenoids are located on the left side of the engine. The intake VVT solenoid is located at the front of the engine and the exhaust at the back. To replace it, disconnect the connector, unscrew the bolt and replace the solenoid with a new one.